Welcome back, everyone. The day you have been waiting for has finally arrived. They have just announced the Young Professional Scheme for Indians who want to move to the UK. I'm making this video to help clarify any doubts and ensure that you can apply successfully. If you are new to this, the Young Professional Scheme allows Indians to move to the UK, live and work there for up to 2 years. You can study, work most jobs, and even be self-employed or set up a company. However, you can't bring your family with you, extend your stay, or make use of public benefits. You also cannot work as a professional supports person. To be eligible, you must be between 18 to 30 years old, have an eligible qualifications, have £2,530 in savings, and have at least a bachelor's degree or higher. You also shouldn't have any children under the age of 18 who live with you that you are financially responsible for. If you meet all the criteria, the next step is to apply for the ballot, which is open from 1:30 p.m. on the 16th to 1:30 p.m. on the 18th. Indian Standard Time. Keep these things in mind to apply successfully. Please remember that the first step is to complete a form online. The form will require your name, date of birth, passport details, a scan or photo of your passport, phone number, and email address. There is no fee to enter the ballot, and you don't need to provide proof of educational qualifications at this stage. If you are successful, you will be invited to apply for the visa within 2 weeks. Only those selected in the ballot will have the opportunity to apply for the visa. Lastly, keep in mind that there are only a limited number of places available, so act quickly. The last time, 20 people who were successfully invited to apply didn't apply, which means this time's ballot could only have 20 places available. It's unfortunate, but the truth is, if you really want to apply for this ballot, you have nothing to lose. My suggestion would be to go ahead and apply if you are eligible. Just remember, you can only apply once in this particular ballot for a single person. So don't try applying multiple times with different emails and phone numbers to increase your odds. Your passport is the same and they will know it's you applying multiple times, resulting in a rejection. If you are successful in the ballot, you have 90 days from the email to apply for the visa online. The visa fee is £298 and you also need to pay immigration health surcharge of £1,552. The IHS allows you to access to healthcare in the UK. Overall, to apply for the visa, you will pay £1,850. Additionally, you need to show £2,530 in your savings, which you don't have to pay to anyone, but need to prove you have in your account by sharing your bank statement. If you are not successful, you can apply again next time as long as you are still eligible and the ballot is still available. In case you are successful, you will need to provide documents such as a valid passport, evidence of funds in your bank account, qualification, evidence of TB test, and if you applicable for that, and a police report or clearance certificate. So make sure all details in your visa application are correct to avoid losing your visa fee. When you are ready to apply, make sure to avoid the mistakes I made. If you are 30 or older, you can still apply. You can even apply from your mobile phone, but it might be a bit tricky due to small screen. If you make a mistake, have someone double check your application before submitting it. If you don't have a last name, use your first name instead. And make sure your phone number and email are correct to receive verification codes. If you don't get an email, check your spam folder. Even if you were unsuccessful before, you can still apply now. And If your visa is rejected, you might get a refund. Now, let's focus on what to do next. Save your passport pictures in the right format and size before the deadline. Make sure to include both the front and back of your passport in one picture to avoid any issues with uploading. Also, remember to name your passport file using an easy format like your name followed by underscore passport. Lastly, don't forget to watch the tutorial video before the palette opens on the 16th to be fully prepared. And good luck for your visa and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.